Hi friends, I'm Ravina. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making pineapple and mango sasam. Sasam is a coconut and mustard based curry. This is a Konkani special dish called Avnas Ambe Sasam. Let's get started. To begin, let's add a cup each of fresh pineapple, mango and grapes into a bowl. Now let's add a kick of heat, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of jaggery for sweetness and some salt to taste. Give a good mix and keep aside for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare our coconut masala. Into a mixer grinder, add a cup of coconut. To this, add 2 red chilies fried in coconut oil and grind it to a paste. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of mustard and grind it again. Now it's time to incorporate our spicy masala into the fruit mixture. Clean the mixie and add the water so that you get all the deliciousness from the mixer. For the final touch, let's temper our dish. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard and 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Once the mustard starts to crackle, pour the aromatic tempering over the dish. Our tantalizing pineapple and mango sasam is ready to be enjoyed. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, I wish you happy cooking. Please do check the description box for all details on this dish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do share it with your friends. Sasam is enjoyed as a side dish with any comfort meal.